What makes your stomach growl? That rumbling sound is actually your digestive system hard at work. When your stomach is empty, muscles squeeze air and digestive juices around, creating those funny noises. It's like a washing machine with nothing inside, lots of sloshing and gurgling. An empty stomach growls every 20 minutes and can be heard up to 10 feet away. But sometimes food makes it growl too when breaking down big meals. Your gut is always moving, even when you sleep. Next time your tummy talks, remember it's just your body's way of saying I'm ready for fuel. Subscribe for more amazing body facts.